Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another travel agent training video. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Zora. I am the CEO and regional trainer for Zora's Travel Bliss LLC. In today's video, we will be going over how to market your travel business online. Why online marketing matters. The travel industry has gone digital, and having a strong online presence is essential for attracting and retaining clients. Most travelers begin their journey online, browsing Google, watching travel TikToks, or searching for inspiration on Instagram or Pinterest. If your business isn't there, they'll find someone else. This training will walk you through the strategies and tools that will help you grow your audience, become more discoverable, and turn clicks into commissions. Platforms like Instagram, Google, My Business, and Facebook are just a few of the places your brand should shine. So, the first step that you should do is build a professional website. Your website is your digital headquarters and it needs to look professional and provide clear information. Whether you use Wix, Squarespace, or WordPress, make sure your site includes essential pages like all about me, services, destinations, and a contract form. Include high quality images, use tools like Pixels and Unsplash if needed, client testimonies, and strong calls to action like get a quote or schedule a call. Master SEO. SEO helps your website get found in search engines like Google. To start, identify keywords travelers might use. Example, best travel agent in Atlanta or Greece honeymoon planner. Using tools like Uber suggests keywords everywhere or Google Keyword Planner. Then optimize your site by including these keywords in page titles, in image names, headers, and blog posts. Write helpful blog content like top 10 things to do in Costa Rica or how to choose the right cruise line. Use social media strategically. Use platforms where your ideal clients spend their time. For instance, use Instagram for destination visuals, Facebook for groups and ads, Pinterest for travel planning inspiration, and TikTok for fun travel tips and trends. Tools like Later, Planali, or Buffer help you schedule posts in advance. Also, Branch Up aim to post consistently and balance promotions with inspiration, education, and personal stories. You want to be sure that you make sure to run paid ads for targeted reach. Social and search ads let your travel specific audiences like engaged couples, adventure travelers, or retirees use Meta Ads Manager for Facebook and Instagram, or Google Ads to create campaigns that appear in users' feeds or search results. For example, you can run an ad targeting couples in Texas planning a honeymoon or parents searching for family friendly resorts. Drive traffic to a landing page created with MailChimp, lead pages, or your website. Test different headline images and offers to see what gets the best products. Build an email list and nurture it. To grow your email list, offer a lead magnet like the ultimate travel packing list or top 5 affordable luxury resorts in the Caribbean. Create this using Canva and collect emails via a form on your website using tools like MailChimp. Cover Kit or Flowdesk. Once someone subscribes, set up an automated welcome email introducing your services and personality. After that, send monthly newsletters featuring destination spotlights, travel tips, and promotions. The next thing you want to do is create value driven content. Your content should help inspire or entertain your ideal traveler. This could be a blog post on how to travel Italy without the crowds, a YouTube video reviewing your favorite cruise line, or Instagram carousel of packing tips. Use Canva to design engaging social content or Lumen 5 to turn blog posts into videos. For blogging tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor can help you write clearly. Collect and showcase testimonials and reviews. Encourage happy clients to leave reviews on platforms like Google My Business, Facebook, and Yelp, or even on Travel Advisor if you offer tours or experiences. After every trip, send a quick follow-up email with a direct link to the review platform. Showcase this feedback on your website and email newsletters and on social media. You can use Canva to design beautiful quote graphics or testimonials. Use tools to track your results. Tracking your marketing performance help you understand where to focus your time and money. Use Google Analytics to track website traffic and see which blog posts or landing pages perform best. Use Meta Business Suite to monitor engagement on your Facebook and Instagram posts. Your email platform like MailChimp or ConvertKit will show open rates, click through rates, and unsubscribers. Set aside time monthly to review your stats, look for patterns, and optimize what's working. Even free dashboards like Google Looker Studio can help visualize your growth. After you have applied all the tools, you want to be consistent, be human. Conclusion: be consistent, be human. Online marketing is about building relationships, not just selling trips. Show up regularly to be helpful and let your personality shine. Share your own travel experiences, admit when something goes wrong, and be real because people book with people they like and trust. Think of your online presence as an outgoing conversation, not a one time pitch. Keep learning, testing, and improving. The most successful travel advisors today are those who combine their passion for travel with smart, human centered digital marketing. And I just want to leave you with some recommended marketing tools. Here's a quick reference list of tools to support your travel marketing efforts. To build a website, you can use WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. For email campaigns, MailChimp, ConvertKit, Flowdesk. If you want to design something, Canva, SEO, Uber Suggest, Google Keyword Planner. For social media ladder, Buffer, Planoly, schedule and manage posts. Analytics is going to be Google Analytics, Meta Business Suite, track marketing performance, CRM booking. You can use tools like TravelJoy, Dupsado, WeTravel, manage leads, and this will help you manage leads and store clients' information. Thank you so much for watching today's travel agent training videos. If you like travel agent training and videos about travel vlogs, please consider subscribing to my channel. We are growing in numbers, and I appreciate all my new subscribers as well as the old. Thank you. Until next time.